We're back with the story of a man who was charged with a crime he didn't commit.
For me to go through all this, it hurt a lot.
Angel Galvan says the San Diego County District Attorney's Office got the wrong guy, and their mistake upended his life. He tells our Team 10 investigator Adam Merkusen he lived in constant fear.
Yeah, and Angel says that he struggled to sleep at night. That's how much that this was affecting him. He was worried he'd go to jail for something he didn't do. He says the mistake cost him money, cost him time, and despite the fact that the charge was dropped, an arrest on his record is something he might have to deal with for the rest of his life.
I'm surprised this even happened.
Sitting in this chair, Angel Galvan described himself as a happy, easygoing guy. A steady job, good family, and killer laugh. But he says the past year has been anything but funny.
And for me to go through all this, it hurt a lot.
See, in July of 2019, Angel's girlfriend handed him a letter that changed everything.
She says, no, look, you have to look at this. You have a letter from San Diego court. And I was like, San Diego court? I don't live in San Diego.
The letter said he'd been charged with a felony for grand theft of personal property from Go Wireless, PC 487A. Angel thought it was a mail scam.
What is PC 487A?
It was no scam. Angel says the district attorney's office claimed he and other Go Wireless employees were using stolen credit cards to buy merchandise from a location at the UTC Mall. Here's the thing.
I was like, I hope you realize I live in the valley. Like, I don't live nowhere near San Diego, so I don't know what this is all about.
Angel lives in Panorama City. That's in Los Angeles County, about 2.5 hours away. Angel did work at this Go Wireless store in Santa Clarita, but for only 2 months, and that was back in 2017. The alleged crime happened in March of 2018. Angel says it turns out there were 2 Angel Galvans who worked for the company. This email sent by a deputy district attorney apologized for the mix-up, saying HR at Go Wireless mixed him up with another Angel Galvan.
Every day I got home, I was stressed. I couldn't believe it, and as every day goes by, I'm just figuring out ways, how do I get out of it? How do I get out of it?
No one called him. No one looked to see if it was the right person. No one checked his address. No one checked his work records.
Alex Ozols is Angel's attorney. They filed a claim against the County of San Diego.
A lot of the time they do get it right, and we appreciate that. It's, they're representing the state of California. However, when they get it wrong, the repercussions are just so bad when they do, and in this case they did.
Angel says in order to afford a lawyer, he had to sell his prized possession, a truck he spent years fixing up. He had to drive to San Diego to be booked, fingerprinted, had his DNA taken, and posed for a mugshot. But maybe worst of all, Angel worried his family might think he's a criminal. And if he went to jail...
I barely even see my son now. And the last thing I wanted to do is, go to jail and then not be able to see him at all.
When the case was finally dismissed, a wave of emotion between father and son.
So for me to be able to tell him that, and I hear him cry over the phone, and my mom too, it hurts a lot. It hurts a lot because of everything that I went through.
And both the district attorney's office and Go Wireless said they can't comment on pending litigation. We know the County of San Diego rejected Angel's legal claim. His attorney tells us they do plan to file a lawsuit. Adam Merkusen, Team 10.